This video is brought to you by with the cooperation of AliExpress.com. This is the best 4K pixel level drone which is very suitable for new pilots, also for expert pilots. Adjustable 4K camera, automatic follow shooting, dimensions of the drone, night flight LED lights, low battery return to home automatically, out of control, vision. These are the all specifications about the drone, and here are the spare parts of the drone included in box. 20 minutes long time flying. KY601G video tutorial of operation. Step 1. Turn on the remote control switch. Then turn on the drone switch. Step 2. Press and hold the geomagnetic button of the remote control until you hear a beep sound. Then pick up the drone and spin horizontally in a clockwise direction until you hear a beep sound. In which step 3, rotate the drone camera vertically down in a clockwise direction until you hear a beep sound. Then press and hold the correction button until you hear a beep sound. The frequency is successfully paired. At this moment, wait the drone to search for the satellite signal. The remote control will make a beep sound when 8 to 10 stars are completed, which means a satellite signal is successfully searched. The drone can be normally taken off. Download and install the drone app by scanning the specification corresponding system. Then turn on the mobile phone Wi-Fi to connect to the signal from the drone. Open the drone app after the Wi-Fi is successfully connected. Congratulations guys, all the takeoff steps are completed. Pull the left and right joystick of the remote control to the figure 8 for about 3 seconds. Unlock flying. Satellite GPS following. Click the GPS follow button on the application. The drone will be following. Click on the fixed point surround button on the application to enter height and radius, then click OK. The drone will be surrounding the target point. Click on the point fly button on the app and click on the screen to set the flight path. Take off the drone when the setting up is done. Drone waypoint flight. One click return. Drone will return near takeoff point automatically. Indoor flight mode. Turn off GPS from on to off. The drone can be flying indoors in room. Drone battery replacement and charging. Red light flashes when the battery is charging. When the battery is fully charged, the red light goes off.